Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Akila, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing 10 beauty hacks using Eucerin Aquaphor's Soothing Skin Balm, a balm which has been known and used and loved by the likes of Beyonce, Zendaya, Charlize Theron and many other celebs. So on that note, let's get into it.
Firstly, Aquaphor is a great way to seal split ends and tidy up flyaways. Just rub it all over your hands and spread it through your hair. Battling with sunburn? Applying Aquaphor to your burns will not only lock in moisture, but it will also soothe the skin and help with healing. Next time you decide to dye your hair, try applying some Aquaphor to your hairline to prevent your skin from also catching color. Aquaphor also acts as a great lip balm, and if you want some more color, you can just dab some blush onto your lips just to give it an added tint. Give your skin a natural dewy look by applying Aquaphor to your cheekbones. Zendaya swears by this trick, and it's also how makeup artist Daniel Martin created Meghan Markle's wedding day glow. Now, Aquaphor can be used as a perfume primer. Simply apply it to the areas you'd normally spray your perfume, then layer your perfume on top of that for a long-lasting scent. If you're struggling with a cold, heal and soothe sensitive skin around your nose by dabbing Aquaphor around it. Another cool hack is to use Aquaphor to tame unruly brows. Simply comb the balm through your brows with a spoolie and you're good to go. Lastly, be like Beyonce and use Aquaphor as an overnight healing and hydration mask for your face and feet. Don't forget to lock in that moisture with a cute pair of socks.
So that is it from me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something. As always, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave me some love in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. And if you want to see any other beauty hacks or tips and tricks or any other videos, let me know in the comment section as well and I'll see what I can do for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time.